This is the tale of mankind, the quest for peace of mind and a feeling of security, the deep eternal need to protect the people and things that are precious to us. It is also our own tale here at Mul-T-Lock and how we became a leading high security company, always aspiring to uphold our core values, to break the code, to seek the 7 seals. In the beginning, Mul-T-Lock was faced with the challenges of secure locking. Like the ancients who searched for novel inventions to lock away their secrets and treasures, Mul-T-Lock laid the foundations, adopting the most important value of all, innovation. Innovation was the very first challenge faced by Mul-T-Lock. First established in 1973, its strength lay in its young founder's daring, inventive spirit. One of our earliest patented inventions was the telescopic pin, on exhibit today at the British Museum. This innovation proved to be a dramatic breakthrough in the history of locking technology. From the start, Mul-T-Lock aspired to perfection, striving to create a variety of robust, reliable, high-quality locking solutions, worthy of castles and strongholds. Thus, it quickly became a leader in the exclusive club of high-security companies. Quality, strength, and technological ingenuity are the essential ingredients of Mul-T-Lock's outstanding high-security systems. To spread the message of high security, Mul-T-Lock grew at an astounding rate of 25% per annum. It crossed oceans and continents, just like empires throughout history. Fueled by its alliance with the ASA Abloy Group, Mul-T-Lock is a global player in the high-security arena with more than 20,000 service centers in about 100 countries, serving an estimated 100 million people around the world every year. From the Opera of Paris to the CIA's most guarded offices, from Toronto's CN Tower to the Elf Tower in France, from the Vatican to the Supreme Court of China, every client finds the best and most suitable solution at Mul-T-Lock. Like the men and women of the Renaissance, Mul-T-Lock places people, both employees and clients, at the center of its activities. Based on a deep belief that the customer is the company's greatest asset, we expanded our supply chain. We provided our partners, the locksmiths, with unique tools and software to customize cylinders and keys. And so we enable them to offer their clients fast, on-the-spot service. Mul-T-Lock has revolutionized the world of locking. It has overcome many challenges on its way to becoming a leading enterprise with solutions for kings, conglomerates, and private homes. Customers only need to tell us what they want to protect, and we'll find a way, the right lock, the right solution. Our interactive cylinder is the perfect solution for one of the market's foremost needs, total key control. Starting from the patented interactive blank, this ingenious system makes unauthorized duplication virtually impossible. The fruitful collaboration between Mul-T-Lock's customers and its R&D teams has generated numerous solutions and innovations. In just a little more than 30 years, Mul-T-Lock has made a difference, creating added value for its customers. As we grew and expanded, our business partners grew with us. But many tasks and challenges still await us. In coming years, our greatest technological challenges lie in the world of electromechanics. Combining smart chips and software with hardcore lock and key mechanisms, our new age interactive click systems are already in use in several countries. Mul-T-Lock's years of activity are no more than a blink of an eye in human history. And yet, in a few decades of breakthroughs, it has made a most significant mark upon the history of locking and security. In alliance with the ASA Abloy Group, the world's leading manufacturer and supplier of locking solutions, Mul-T-Lock's management team will continue its search for state-of-the-art products, best-in-class service, and new lucrative business opportunities. In the spirit of creativity, we promise to become a global leader in the high security industry, providing people with peace of mind.